welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. Today I got a Phillips steam iron unboxing. You can see here, this is a steam generator 7000 series. It has intelligent automatic steam, fast ironing with automatic steam. Alright, side. What does it do? One ideal setting for all ironable garments, ultralight iron, 1.8 liter detachable water tank, best gliding anti-scratch resistant sole plate, effective anti-scale, up to 120 gram per minute continuous steam, up to 600 gram steam boost, and max 8.0 bar pressure. Okay, it looks like a pretty sophisticated iron. Alright, we got more product shots on this side. Alright, something at the bottom. Okay, let's crack this up. Let's open it. And let's see what's in the box. Quality tested. Okay. A lot of fancy cut out cardboards. Okay, we got some documentations. This is the user manual. This is the warranty. Something else here. I think this is another instruction manual. Okay. Whoa. Open up the back instead. Oh. This thing is heavy. Okay, it's out of the box. Okay, this thing is pretty heavy, so we'll look at the steam iron itself first. It has a auto button here and a steam mode right here, I guess. A very slim little device. Phillips Steam Glide Elite OptimalTEMP. Okay, so it has a long cable connecting to the water tank below. This thing is really heavy, and it has a lock mechanism right here, so this thing won't come off easily. So this is what this one looks like. The bottom. The other side. This is a cable. It's a really thick, long cable, and it's using a 3-pin plug. Alright. So that's the unboxing video for the Phillips Smart Steamer. That's how you unlock it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys next time.